The no confidence motion has now been submitted at the Assembly Secretariat, and the People's Party has nominated Faisal Mumtaz Rathod as their candidate for Prime Minister. Faisal Mumtaz Rathod is a senior PP leader known for his calm and non controversial political style. He has twice been elected as a member of the Legislative Assembly and has served as a minister of the local government in the coalition government. He comes from a prominent political family. His father, Muhammad Hussain Rathod, was a former Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Party sources say that Faisal Mumtaz Rathod is trusted by the top PP leader and considered one of the party's most experienced and moderate voices.
Following the suicide blast in G11 Islamabad that killed 12 people and injured 36, the federal government has launched the Safe Secure Islamabad initiative to strengthen security across the capital, under the supervision of Minister of State for Interior Talal Chaudhary. At the core of the initiative is a new Secure Neighborhood Survey, which will document who lives or works in every house, shop, and office in Islamabad. The survey will collect details such as the number of residents, their age, nationality, and whether the property is rented or self-owned. Officials say the database will support both the municipal services and security operations. A mobile application called ICT Household Survey has also been launched for residents to upload their information. Administration teams, accompanied by police, will conduct door-to-door surveys to verify entries and complete the record. Any missing information will be retrieved to follow-up visits. The initiative further includes mandatory electronic tagging for all vehicles inside and entering the city, enabling authorities to monitor movement in real time through green environmental tags and e-tags. Officials emphasize that Islamabad requires heightened security due to its national and international importance. The project is expected to complete within 3 months, and authorities assure the public that all collected data will remain safe and confidential.